Good afternoon. Today we return with another review. Today we are bringing you the Ninja Blender Mega Kitchen System. It is a powerful 1500 watt blender designed to handle all your kitchen needs with 4 versatile functions: smoothies, food processing, dough making, and drinks. It includes a 72-ounce blender pitcher for crushing ice, a 64-ounce food processor bowl for chopping and kneading dough, and 2 16-ounce Nutri cups with lids for on-the-go convenience. Whether you're blending, mixing, or processing, this all-in-one system delivers professional performance for effortless meal prep, perfect for smoothies, sauce, and dough. This machine is a must-have for any kitchen.